Biodiversity can be examined at several levels. 1. Genetic diversity. This refers to the variation in genetic material within a species. High genetic diversity enables populations to adapt to changing environments and resist diseases. For example, the genetic variation in crops helps them withstand pests and environmental changes. 2. Species diversity. This encompasses the variety of species within a given area. It includes both the number of species richness, and their relative abundance species evenness. High species diversity can enhance ecosystem productivity and stability. For instance, a diverse forest has a range of plant species that contribute to its overall health and productivity. 3. Ecosystem diversity. This involves the variety of habitats, communities, and ecological processes within an area. It includes different types of ecosystems such as forests, grasslands, wetlands, and oceans. Diverse ecosystems contribute to the functioning of the biosphere and provide various services such as water filtration, carbon storage, and climate regulation. Importance of biodiversity. Ecological balance. Biodiversity supports ecosystem functions like nutrient cycling, pollination, and decomposition, which are essential for the survival of all living organisms. Resilience and adaptation. Diverse ecosystems are more resilient to disturbances like diseases, climate change, and natural disasters. They can better withstand and recover from environmental changes. Economic value. Many industries, such as agriculture, pharmaceuticals, and tourism, rely on biodiversity. For example, many medicines are derived from natural compounds found in plants and animals. Cultural and aesthetic value. Biodiversity enriches cultural heritage and offers recreational and aesthetic benefits. Many cultures have deep connections with the natural world, which influence their traditions, practices, and values. Threats to biodiversity. Habitat destruction, urbanization, deforestation, and agricultural expansion lead to the loss of habitats for many species. Climate change, alterations in temperature and weather patterns can disrupt ecosystems and lead to species extinctions. Pollution, contaminants in air, water, and soil can harm species and disrupt ecological processes. Overexploitation, excessive hunting, fishing, and harvesting of natural resources can deplete species populations. Invasive species, non-native species introduced into new environments can outcompete or prey on native species, disrupting ecosystems. Conservation efforts to conserve biodiversity include establishing protected areas, restoring habitats, and implementing sustainable practices. Conservation strategies also involve legal frameworks such as the Convention on Biological Diversity and community-based approaches that integrate local knowledge and practices.